Hello class, I hope you all are good and fine at your places. I am your physical education teacher Vikrant. So class, in this class video we are talking about your unit 4. Unit 4 is physical education and sports for CWSN. Okay, so CWSN means children with special needs. It's also called a Divyang persons or Divyang children's. Okay, so basically this all topic or all unit related to the children with special needs, also the disabilities or disorders. Okay class, so let's start the class. In this class video, basically our topic, our first topic is basically concept of disabilities and disorder. Okay, the first topic is concept of disabilities and disorder. So in this topic I'm telling you the all concept of the disabilities and disorder, and also I'm telling you the meaning of disabilities or meaning of disorders. Okay, then second topic we discuss about topic 2 is first is type of disabilities. Okay, so first we're talking about how many types of disabilities. Okay, how much is the effect on your body, and which problems we basically created. Okay, then second thought we're talking about their causes and nature, just like the conjunctive disability, intellectual disability, or physical disabilities. Okay, so in this is the all topic related to the today class video. Okay, so first we discuss about the concept of disabilities and disorders. Okay class. Okay, so first we know about the what is the disability or concept of the disabilities or disorders. First, I'm telling you the concept of disabilities. Okay, so the terms disability means any kind of impairment or permanent reduction in physical or mental capacities. Okay, it means permanent impairment or also the permanent reduction in physical or mental capacity. So the reduction can be related to any kind of physical loss, mental illness, intellectual impairment, or reduction in the use of sense or organs. Okay, so this may be present from birth or during a person's lifetime. Okay, so this affects person participation in different area of life and reduces the full use of body structure and functions. Okay, so basically the concept of disability it is this. Okay, then second point is concept of disorder. Okay, so concept of disorder is disorder is any elements that disturb the health of a person. Okay, so disorder is any element that disturb the health of a person. Hence, a person's perform and diminishes he or she efficiency. Okay, so disorder grows inside a person. Okay, they are small in the beginning but may become serious and grow into a disabilities. Okay, this is the important point to how to uh, the disorder will conduct it. Okay, so disorder grows inside a person. They are small in the beginning but may become serious and grow into a disabilities. Okay, there are many kind of disorder like a mental disorder, neurological disorder, hyperactivity disorder, also eating disorders, addiction disorder, and the last one is attention disorder. Okay, so class, this is the all the concept of the disorder and disabilities. Okay, so basically in these disabilities or disorder, uh, you are at an hormones development. Nobody wants any hindrance or obstacle in the way of his life. We all want to enjoy the life, okay, which is full of joy and happiness, all pleasure. So there are people who are unable to meet their disease desire and loneliness due to a disabilities or disorders. So it seems that these two words, disability and disorder, are used interchangeably. So it is a not right. So it is essential to under the accent meaning of these two terms. Okay. So now I'm telling you the meaning of disabilities or meaning of disorders. Okay class. Okay class. So now we're talking about the meaning of disabilities. Okay. Okay. So disability is an impairment that may be conjunctive, development, intellectual, mental, physical. Okay. So disability is an impairment that may be conjunctive, development, intellectual, mental, physical. Okay. It affects the everyday activities of an individual to a considerable amount. It may be present in an individual from birth or occur during one's lifetime. So disability has a different meaning in different society of the world. Okay, means different society, in different society there is a different meaning of the disabilities. Okay, so disability in a injury that restricted the functions or movements of an individual. It is the consequences of impairment causes to individual disabilities in a medical condition which does not permit an individual to perform any activity or movement in a normal way. Okay, so there is some according to WHO, means World Health Organization, basically meaning of the disability is a disability is a restriction or lack of ability to perform an activity in the manner or within the range of considered normal for a human being. Okay, so this is the meaning of according to WHO. Okay, or there is many others definition written by others authors. Okay, so there is another definition of disabilities is disability basically is the impairment that may be conjunctive, development, intellectual, mental, physical, sensory, or some one combination of these. Okay, it substantially affect a person's life. Okay, so activities and may be present from birth or occur during a person's lifetime. So it means that is a impairment that create obstacles, means बाधा, problems create करना इस types की. Okay, so obstacle in normal function or movements of individual. It is it limits and restricts the activities of a person. Okay class, so this is the meaning of disabilities. Okay class, so the second point is meaning of disorder. Okay, so basically disorder is usually used for a mental disabilities. Okay, so disorder is any element that disturb the health of an individual. Okay, so disorder create hindrance in an individual performance and reduce his efficiency. In the beginning of disorder seem to be ordinary but usually grow or spread in a harmful manner in a individuals. So most probably a disorder can not be detected on time, as a result of which a simple disorder is changed into a disability. So a disorder disturbs a normal functioning of an individual. Okay. So you know the meaning of disorder and meaning of disabilities. Okay. So basically, this is the main reason to persons facing problems or in the health related problem through disabilities or disorders. Okay, so basically disorder related to a mental disabilities. Okay, and also the uh, disabilities related to your bodies, means body parts, body functions, these types of. Okay. Okay class, so this is the meaning of disorder. So class, our next topic is types of disabilities. Okay, so you can see there the three types of disabilities. Okay, so first is conjunctive disabilities, second is intellectual disabilities, and third one is physical disabilities. Okay, so first in conjunctive disability there are three types of disabilities or disorders. Okay, so first is memory disorder, second is hyperactivities, and third is dyslexia. Okay, so first we know that what is the disabilities means. Okay, I'm telling you in the previous page. Okay, so disability of to individual is may weigh and with varied severities. So some individuals are disabled right at a birth, while other individuals get disabled owing to some events during the courses of their lives. Okay, so some disabilities are genetic or birth during the birth, or some disabilities are basically uh, during the course of their life, means is a situation according to situation. Okay, so mainly there are three types of disabilities, so such as conjunctive disability, intellectual disabilities, and physical disabilities. Okay, so first I'm telling you what is the conjunctive disabilities. So basically the conjunctive disability is a neurological disorder. Okay, so it is a neurological disorder that creates hindrance or obstacles for individual to store, process, and produce information. Okay, these disabilities can affect an individual ability or capability to read, compact, speak, and write. So this type of disability can also be called invisible disabilities. Okay, it means जो दिखाई नहीं देती हैं. Because unlike other disabilities, you may not be able to assess the condition by looking at the individual. So generally the individual who have this type of disabilities usually have a following these symptoms. Okay, basically there are the symptoms of conjunctive disabilities. So first is memory disorders. So who has uh, facing the memory losing problems, or difficult in remembering something that he or she heard, said or saw some time ago. Okay, it means they forgetting the things, means after day, after some day, after week, after month. Okay, so basically they forget the things. So it is calling a is called is this is the symptoms of memory disorder. Okay, then second is symptom is hyperactivities. Okay, so with conjunctive disability may not have attention for long period, so he she find is difficult to stay at one place. As a matter of fact, he and she usually lose concentration frequently. Okay, means जो कॉन्ट्रिकेशंस कर होना होता है उस पर कॉन्ट्रेस्ट मीन्स ध्यान नहीं दे पाते हैं, कंटिन्यूसली प्रोसेस में ध्यान नहीं दे पाते हैं इसको. ओके. देन थर्ड सिम्टम इज डायलेसिया. So an individual with the conjunctive disabilities may exhibit dyslexia. It means he may have difficult in writing, reading or speaking. Okay. So this type of symptoms are conjunctive disabilities. Okay. Then second disability is intellectual disabilities. Okay. So basically intellectual disability is a disability characterized by significant limitations both in intellectual function, just like reasoning, learning, problem solving, and is an in adaptive behavior which covers a range of everyday social and practical skills. So this disability is related to the individual throughout process, communication, memory, money, learning, problem solving, means problem solving and judgment. It will also include psychic disability, which is related to the individual social disabilities such as behavior, emotional and thinking. Okay. So this intellectual disability begin for the age of 18 years. Okay class. So this is the intellectual disabilities. Now I am telling you the physical disabilities. Okay. So a physical disability is a limitation of individual physical functioning mobilities. Okay. Dexterity or stamina. Other impairments such as respiratory disorder, blindness, epilepsy and sleep disorder, which limit other facts of daily life, are also including in physical disabilities. So physical disability may either be motor deficiency, just mobility impairment calling or sensory impairment. So motor deficiency is related to the spinal cord, causing the paralysis to some or all the limbs. Just example you can take hands and leg. It may also is also related to the brain damage, which may occur before birth, during of or after birth, or after a stroke. So sensory impairment is related to individuals visual or hearing impairment. So in simple word, basically we calling a physical disability is one of that affect person's mobility or dexterities. Okay class. So this is the all types of disabilities: conjunctive disability, intellectual disabilities and physical disabilities. And also I am telling the symptoms of conjunctive disabilities. So first is memory disorder, second is hyperactivity, and the third one is dyslexia. Okay class. So class, now I am telling you the all causes of the disabilities. Okay. So first reason of the disability is genetic cause. Okay. So you know what is the genetic word. Okay. So in genetic cause disability, basically some disabilities are known to be inherited, such as spinal muscular atrophy and muscular uh, dystrophy. Okay. So abnormalities in genes and genetic intentions causes. So intellectual disability in child, sometimes like a disease, illness and over exposure to X-ray may cause a genetic disorder. Okay. So this is the first cause of the disability. Then second is poverty. Okay. So poverty is one of the major cause of the disabilities. Okay. So it is seen that poor person are the most vulnerable to disability because they live and work in unsafe environment with poor sanitations. They don't know, they don't have good living conditions. They usually have a little access to education, safe drinking water, and proper nutrition. Owing to these conditions, they fall prey to such disease that they lead them toward disabilities. So many babies may be born with disability. This may be because they did not get enough nutrition during the birth. Okay, so this is the second cause of disability. Then third is mental health problems. Okay, so mental health problems such as depression, bipolar disorder, okay, so may to lead disabilities. Okay, so in mental health problems such like a depression, bipolar disorders. Okay, so these things will be lead this type of disabilities. So as a matter of fact, the cause of mental health problems are very difficult to diagnose. They tend to be some of the most misunderstood disabilities. Okay, so this is the third number of cause of the disability. Then fourth number is accidents. Okay, so the life is so fast that accident may occur anywhere. Okay, so anytime to anyone. So these accident may happen to at workplace, on the road, on in the air. These accident may be lead to the disabilities. Okay, so any type of accident basically lead to the disabilities. Okay, then fifth cause of disability is infections disease. So infection disease may also cause disabilities if the immunity power of a child is low. Okay, so he is susceptible to fall sick and contract more serious illness if a child is not immunized well. So he become valuable to infection disease like MOF, which can be cause hearing impairment, or polio, which can clip the child. Okay, class. So this is the this is the 5 number cause of the disability, infection disease. Okay, class. So number 6 cause of the disability is disturbance in endocrine glands. Okay, so basically the endocrine glands related to your internal organs. Okay, means your thorax, your long intestines, small intestines, these types of organs. Okay, disturbance in endocrine glands may also lead to disabilities. Owing to such disturbance, a child may suffer for various physical and mental deficiency. Okay, class. And second is your malnutritions. Okay, so malnutrition is another significant cause of disability, especially in our country. So basically malnutrition is related to kuposhan, means kuposhan, bhukmari types. Okay, so why is related to our country? Because our country, so many people are poor. They not have eating a proper nutrition foods. They not have eat the all the kind of minerals, vitamins, protein, carbohydrates, this type of things they not afford. Okay, so this basically in this situation they have basically इस सिचुएशन और इस कंडीशन के अकॉर्डिंग उनको कुपोषण के शिकार हो जाता है. सो इसी वजह से उनको मीन्स दे हैव मैनी टाइप ऑफ डिजीज जस्ट लाइक बॉडी पोस्चर डिजीज और short height bones or side height bones disease or muscular disease types of. Okay, then next cause of disability is poor approach or to health care. Okay, so you know the poor approach to health care is related to your how to care of your health, how to care your body. Okay, so if you not caring your body, not caring your health, so basically you basically after some time you have any disease, you will be disease, or you will be a disabled person. So basically is this cause related to your health care. If you're not caring your health or proper nutrition you're not taking or proper physical activities you're not doing, so you will be any kind of disease. Okay, so many disability can prevent easily if there is a proper access or proper approach to healthcare facility. A good healthcare facility are not available during the difficult labor and birth. It may cause a baby to born with disabilities such as a cerebral palsy. So, professionally trained person could handle such emergencies. They can prevent babies from being born with such a disability. So, proper immunizations can be help in preventing many disabilities, usually who live in remote areas do not have proper access to health care facility, and through sometimes babies suffer disabilities. Okay, then number 9 cause of disability is nucleus accidents. Okay, so basically nucleus accident related to the radiation accidents. So many person have suffered after being exposed to radiation because of accident in nuclear power plants in USA and Ukraine in 1979 and 1986 respectively, and and is also happened in 1945 in Japan during the Second World War. Okay, in Hiroshima. At such place, there has also been increased the number of children born with conjunctive disabilities such as Down syndrome. Okay. Then number 10 cause of disability is toxic material, pesticides and insecticides. Okay. So you know basically in this time basically all the kind of foods using the toxic or pesticide types of things. Okay, so these things very harmful for your body, your organs and also the your health. So the toxic materials like lead and mercury found in various products, use of insecticides and pesticides and others harmful chemicals may cause of disabilities in people and birth defect in babies. As a matter of fact, such toxic materials may cause damage brain which ultimately leads to disabilities. Okay class. So this is the number 10 cause of disabilities, toxic material, pesticides and insecticides. So class number 11 cause of disability is illness. Okay, so illness like a disease like cancer, heart attack, diabetes. Okay, cause a number of long-term disabilities just like arthritis, back pain, muscular tensions disorder. Okay, etc. are also significant cause of disability. So some illness is to pregnant woman may cause physical or learning problem to her baby when born. Okay, so this is the number 11 is cause of disability illness. Then number 12 12 cause of disability is lack of education. So lack of education need to basically lead to disability. So laborers are not educated, they fall prey to certain disease which can be avoided by using significant method or by taking a uh, prescriptions, but due to ignorance they do not adopt uh, such prescriptive method. Their chances to get disability are on this rise. Okay, so basically lack of education related to the related to you have not much knowledge to your about the food intaking, also the your health related education, and also the how to care your newborn baby and also the pregnant women, which type of food will be intaking. Okay, so these types of things will be related to lack of educations. So basically the lack of education cause of the disabilities. Okay, then number 13 is wars. Okay, so war is usually seen that most of civilizations are killed or disabled along with the soldiers. So just like the uh, bomb explosion cause of the become deaf, dumb and lose their limbs. Not only physical health but mental health of individual is also badly affected by nuclear, biological and anatomical weapons through. Okay, so that's why the war is basically cause of the disabilities. Then number 14 cause of the disabilities, medicine and vaccines. Okay, so basically there is a no doubt medicine and vaccines are essential to protect health and prevent disabilities. Okay, but there are number of practitioners in the medical field who are not qualified or registered. They do not take proper care while dealing with patients. They use the unclean syringes, may cause a serious disease like hepatitis or HIV/AIDS. Improperly store as well as a wrong vaccine may cause of the allergic recreational or also the poisoning and defense or to child. Okay, so also the medical or vaccination all the basically is cause of the disability, because if you taking wrong medicine or wrong vaccination, so you will be basically facing many type of problems just like allergy. Okay, okay, so number the last cause of the disability is dangerous working environment. Okay, so if any person work in factories, mines or in agriculture field under the improper working environment, they may be exposed to dangerous machinery, tools or chemicals and wide varieties of health hazards. So this condition they may get disabled on the long run. Okay, class. So basically the dangerous working environment will be cause of the disabilities. Okay, class. So this is the all causes of the disabilities. So I'm telling the total cause of the disabilities is 50. So one by one I'm telling the all the you all the cause of the disabilities. So class, okay. So class, I hope you all understand about the total topic of the related to unit 4. The topics are basically concept of the disabilities and disorder, and also the we're talking about the two topics. The first topic is concept of disabilities and disorder. Then second topic is type of disabilities, and there are the causes and natures, just like the basically conjunctive disability, intellectual disability and physical disabilities. Okay, class. So class, stay fit, stay healthy, and thank you for the watching.